Guys, and it's me, Gabriel. I'm back, and my brother got me this toy at work. So he had to go to work today, and he got this got a bubble poppers, or you can just call it a poppet. It's if you don't know what a poppet is, it's just a fidget toy. And my cousin Jerry had one of these, and I really wanted one. That was so satisfying. And my brother got me a star one, and let's open this up. Alright guys, here's the star. So all you basically gotta do is just pop all the bubbles. And you can pop it back by doing it on the other side, or you can just pop it back like this. Or I'll just go by its own. So I'm gonna pop all these, and I'll pause the video while I'm popping these. Alright guys, I popped all of them. Took me a while because they're popping back. Then I'll pop all these back. It takes sorts of time. There, all done. Also, blue is my favorite color, and I didn't know that my brother was gonna get my favorite color. Alright guys, all you gotta do is just a toy. So it's a plastic toy. So this is a fragile thing. It's not even fragile. You can't even tear it apart. But if you're dumb and you want to cut it in half, it will break. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom. So I'll see you in a little bit. Sorry guys. Has it been 20 minutes already? It's been 2 minutes. I mean. Also, if you look on the back, it comes in different colors. It can come in this color, this color, this color, this color, this color, this color, this color. 2 hours later. And this color, 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 and all these colors that are on the back of the box. There's basically not anything, no instructions how to play with this. But the back is the instructions. Made from high quality stainless material, can be used again and again. Great for stress and accidentally relief. All day bubble popping fun. Just press the bubbles down and make a popping sound, then fill it over and start again. The perfect on-the-go solution to keep kids entertained. It's like having a never-ending supply of bubble wrap whenever you need it. So, I'll put it here close so you can read everything. You can pause the video when you're reading. You got this. Okay, guys. We're almost about to end. It's like so fun. It's like a bubble wrap, but you can just push it over, and it never ends. It could last for 1,000,000 years. This thing could last for 1,000,000 years. I can smell it's fresh from the oven. I don't know. I don't actually know how to make a poppet. Let's pop it back. It's so hard to pop it back. Now it just pops. Come on, work. Right there, there, and there. There we go. If you're trying to make it a rush, you can just go to the other side and play with it. I'm going to go do a rush. Pop all the bubbles. Oh, yeah. Use this Pokemon belt I got for my birthday. That my brother got me at work, I think. 2 hours later, or 24 hours late, or 24 hours later. I mean 24 hours of hitting the puppet.